3D painting ng ano. Ang galing ng mga dala.
Ito, mga...
Ay, ang bulldog pala ay 7 daw. Yung ilagay sa 8.
May mga dragon pa dito eh. This one is a big dragon.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
You can touch it. Yan.
Young big.
Where are you located?
Pa kami.
Ay, nakasyanan. Ito sa kapitbahay. $40? Makabenta kaya tayo ng pancake. Pag di nabenta, kainin na lang. Hindi nabenta. Wala pa yung mga tao.
Mga tindera pa lang din yun.
Oo.
Ano yung dollars ba dito?
Where are you located? Sabi ni Janet. Shoutout, chopat, chapat, happy.
Wala na akong buhok, B.
Who's in charge? You? Yeah. So, I'm collecting. Did you pay your...
Oh, okay.
Did you do it? Did you already pay? Okay.
Anong kaya ito, Joy? Nagbayad na ba siya, Joy? Ha?
Oh, wait a minute. I will just ask my sister.
Yeah,
Okay.
yep, that'd be great.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
I'll come back to you.
Okay, okay,
That way
okay.
we'll
Thank
Hello,
you.
Shane.
You're welcome.
Sabi ni Daddy, hello, Shane.
Hello, Daddy.
Anong
Wala
oras,
akong buhok.
anong oras sa Pilipinas?
8 ng gabi. Ay, hindi. 8 ng umaga.
Umaga.
Ito ay $3 talaga.
Isa?
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Pag hindi pwede dalawa. Dos, isa.
Dos isa.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no problem.
Whoa! I got one of those dragon. This is like a snake.
And this one is a sword.
Whoa! Whoa! Does it go into the table? Oh no! It's not.
Alam ko nakabayad na ng monthly.
Ha?
90.
Oh, I thought it went. I thought it was like there was like a hole in the table. I know. I thought that too.
Pero mag-example na tayo ng ano.
Oh, this is the one I got. It was just a different color. Pink and gold. Pink and gold. The Oreos? What are these? Is that Oreos? No, I remember the twist.
Sa mga customer.
Wait, are these nunchucks?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Hindi ko niya kayo sinabi.
Hi.
Oh,
It's
Nakabayad na kaya Saturday dito sa friend ko. Kasi may nagtatanong.
are these 10?
Nakakonekta siya.
we have teas
Sabi
also.
ko, ina-ask ko lang muna yung sister.
We have tea. Here. The tarpaulin here. Yeah, boba tea.
Ah, sige, sige. Ano sumasagot?
We have boba tea.
Wala ka dyan.
Here. The tarp. This one is pancake.